Hi Ray, we found another glitch which is similar to the functionality that you've been working on with the query strings. So if I clear my cache, I'll just give you a demonstration of what we've found. And so I'll refresh the page. And now I'll go to login. So I'm now on the map page. If I go to a location, and click on map, I get the redirection. So it's very much similar to what you were working on. Probably that, however, whatever you've nutted out to fix that needs to be applied in this scenario as well. So I'll leave that with you. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.